Nosotros pues no tenemos el dinero suficiente para restaurar nuestras trailas.
Fidelina Arellano has lived in this mobile home park off Old Midlothian Turnpike for 13 years. Her home is in need of repairs. She has a leaky, moldy roof.
Estamos sufriendo, ya mi esposo le puso una cosa, le puso otra, pero ya entonces ya ahí arriba necesita cubrirse toda.
And she isn't the only one facing poor housing conditions. Her neighbors, which she considers family, are too.
No digamos que son trailas, son casas para nuestras familias que necesitan. Y lastimosamente pues estas familias, igual que yo, necesitan ayuda económica.
City leaders included an amendment in this year's budget that promises more funding for repairs and a study to evaluate the state of mobile home parks. Councilman Andreas Addison, who's running to be Richmond's mayor, says he saw the need for more funding after hearing multiple concerns about mobile home conditions.
I think one of the biggest challenges that I've been hearing throughout the last couple of years has been that the maintenance of roofs and ceilings and some of the decay over the years, these are not meant to be permanent housing. These are meant to be a temporary aspect of providing housing. And sometimes extending that life can be, a problem where the current landlord is not doing it right.
The city is also considering the option of purchasing an existing park or land to develop a mobile home community, which would give the city more control over the property.
Es mejor para nosotros. ¿Por qué? Porque si la ciudad compra aquí el parqueo, entonces ellos nos pueden poner como digamos, en vez de pagarle la renta a lo que es el dueño del parqueadero, nosotros podemos ir pagando un pago a la ciudad. Entonces el dinero que invierte, el dinero ellos mismos lo van a recolectar.
VPM News reached out to the owners of Mobile Town Park, a registered LLC in Florida. They say they are not responsible for mobile home repairs, but have invested $1 million in the park's infrastructure. For now, Arellano says her family will continue to make sacrifices in order to fix their home. Kairos Manzanares, VPM News. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the VPM YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications and visit vpm.org for more in-depth coverage.